My name is Rohit. I'm a rising sophomore at the Harvey School, and this is my project, the Big Time Watch Kit. Basically, the entire thing is controlled by this 8-bit processor, which is the black bar. Next to it and on top of it are two capacitors and a resistor. The capacitor stores energy, so that way the net voltage of the entire system goes down. And the resistor also decreases the net voltage of the system, but does it by dissipating the energy into the air. Over here is a button that's connected to the display, so when I press down on this plastic piece, it turns on display, and if you press it once and then hold it for around 3 seconds, the time will start increasing so you can get it to the correct time. Finally, below the display, there is a battery holder where you can just solder it on and then slide in the battery. And there's this little tube which is lying flat against the watch called a crystal oscillator. It's filled with quartz, and it can be measured at what frequency is vibrating, which allows you to tell the time. Probably the biggest challenge that I had when making the kit was putting in the crystal oscillator, because you had to solder it on, but also leave enough space that it could be bent, and I didn't finish it properly so that it could be bent. So I had to take it out and resolder it in, and I think I spent about half an hour just redoing the entire part. My favorite part though was just overall soldering everything back in, because I hadn't done soldering in over a year, so it's a good way for me to relearn how to do it. I think this could help my main project because my main project also uses resistors and capacitors, so it's important for me to relearn what they do and how they